Here we have a Rockwell plug valve. It's a figure number 3044. This is a 1-inch class 1500. It's got threaded inlets here. We're going to start disassembling this valve. Here we have the grease injector. We're going to remove it by unthreading. Here you have your grease injector. You would put your grease connector over this and pump grease here, and the grease will travel down the valve into the plug here. Here we want to remove our stop plate. When you open and close the valve, this knob will hit here when the valve is fully open and hit here when it is closed. So we need to remove this set screw here. Once the Allen head is loose, you should be able to So here we have our stop plate. These are the knobs that'll hit these areas right here, preventing it from over opening or under closing. Next, we're going to remove this stem head here. You would put your lever over this and it would operate the valve open or close by turning it. We're going to remove this. So here you have your stem head. This piece right here is going to be your weather shield, which prevents any weather or debris from getting in. Whenever you inject grease from the top, it'll come down and come out this port right here, down into the plug inside of there. Here you have your stem packing injector here, as well as another port here. So we're going to remove these. So this is your stem packing injector. What you'll do is remove this little set screw here, put in a packing stick, which will be like this here, and then you begin to tighten down this set screw to push the packing into the packing slot here. Now we're going to remove this one as well. This is just a plug. Now we're going to move to the bottom. Here you have your cap and your bolting here, so you're going to want to remove these 4 bolts. Now that we have all 4 removed, we can take our plate. Here's the bottom of our plate. Here's your adjustment screw here, which is located at the bottom. Normally this cap would be able to remove, and you can adjust your screw here. And then here is your adjustment washer. As you can see, this is old grease here. Here you have your pressure balance ball, which goes inside of the plug here. So now we're going to remove the plug, and to do that, we're going to have to push down and have the plug come out. Here is your plug. We're going to clean this up. So here you have your plug. Here you can see the grease channels. So the grease will inject from the top here, come out, and begin to flow down the channels, providing grease for the sealing surfaces. Here's another grease channel As you can see, this hole here goes all the way through the plug. And this hole acts as the pressure balance to help equalize the plug so it does not lock. Here's the inside of the body. Here's another grease channel located inside of the body that goes all the way around. And as you can see down there at the bottom where all that grease is, that's where the other channel is, where the grease builds up. Here are all the components that make up a Rockwell Figure 3044 plug valve. I hope this video was helpful in giving you an understanding of a Rockwell Figure 3044 plug valve. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more valve videos. Thank you for tuning in to Everything Valves, and we'll see you in the next video.